How to transfer Google Play Store balance to another account. Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel and let's get right into this tutorial. Can we actually transfer our Google Play Store balance to any other account? Let's go ahead and find out. For this, you can tap open your Play Store in your device. Make sure that you have signed in with an account. Now to check your balance, you can click on the profile icon at the very top. From here, you need to go ahead and click on the option of payment and subscription. Over here, you will find all of your payment method balance that is available right here in this section. Now, if you wish to transfer from your Google Play Store to another account, unfortunately, currently Google Play Store does not have the current way to directly transfer balance between accounts. However, you can always purchase a Google Play gift card using your existing balance, then you can transfer through the gift card. Or you can also sell some of the digital good. If you have any of the digital goods like apps, movies, or music that you have purchased from your Google Play balance, you could try selling them indirectly, getting yourself some amount from your Google Play Store. This sums up the tutorial as well. We hope that you found it informative and helpful to you.